Welcome back to my channel, Evo's Edible Creation. And as y'all can tell today, we're making crack candy. Yeah! These are the things you need. This for garnishing, pixie sticks and Jolly Ranchers. That's just garnishing. You're gonna make sure you get some fruits. Fruit. And I got all these other things. I don't feel like naming, but it's like dye, K-roll syrup you will need, and sugar. Everybody has sugar in their house. Unless you're vegan. They got sugar, I think. But let's get to the video. Let's go. But before you get started, make sure you rinse all your fruit and pat dry, because that's how to get the sticky seal on it. So let's go ahead and head this way. Okay, now we're on the stove top. So to start this process, you need to make sure that your oven or your stove top is on medium high. 2 cups of 2 cups of sugar. 1, 2. 1 cup. Half a cup of water. And a half a cup of K-roll syrup, which you can tell. Make sure you get it all out. Don't waste no money. So let's start this mixing process. Make sure you mix really well. You don't want to see that much sugar in it or no solid white part. After you mix, go ahead and grab your candy thermometer. After you get your candy thermometer, so you use it to get to the right temperature. It's about 290, 300 max, maybe. Just boil it first, then we're gonna add the flavor and the coloring. So I'll see y'all soon. Alright, almost to the temperature that we need, but let's start adding the stuff. So right here we got white gel, how they do it on the thing. White gel, we're gonna add all of it in to get that bright color. Keep it in. Then get some blue. Get the blue food coloring. Oh, look at that dissipate. Get a little stir action in. Make sure it go everywhere evenly. If you want a darker blue, you can put more in. It's like a turquoise. I'm gonna keep this color. It's like a light, cute color. Pretty color. Then for the last thing you get ready to add in here, you're gonna add a little bit of, that's how they do it on the thing, flavor. And it's your strawberry flavor. Don't add too much because it's gonna taste like medicine. So hit that with that tea. And then stir that in too. Make sure you get everywhere so you don't have half your pot flavor. Okay, we reached 300 right now. I'm gonna take the thermometer out and go ahead and let the bubbles just settle down. Alright y'all, I got my syrup off the stove top, but while that was cooling down, I go ahead and crushed up some Jolly Ranchers. I probably handful about 10, and I put like 6 pixie sticks in it and mix them up. Now let's get started coating it. So we'll first start with grapes. Take it and roll it. And then gonna roll it in here. Or dab it. And sit it right there. That's one. Then we're gonna do a strawberry. Take it, dip, roll it. And roll, and start patting. See y'all when I'm finished. There y'all have it. There y'all have it, people. crack candy or crack fruit, whatever you want to call it. But this right here is made, man, you can make it any holiday, any event, function, and they are delicious.